Hi, ever wondered what Jira really is? Well, let me tell you, it's more than just a project management tool. It's your ticket to streamline teamwork and increase productivity. I am Moni and I'm here to give you an exciting overview of Jira, the ultimate tool for your project management. So mark your calendars because on November 15, 2023, we are diving deep into the world of Jira. We'll explore its amazing features designed to make your work life easier. From powerful issues tracking to customizable workflows, Jira has it all. In the webinar, we will cover what is Jira, Jira's remarkable features, how Jira operates, benefits of using Jira in your projects, and lastly, we will give you a short demo on how to start with Jira. Feeling a bit overwhelmed, right? Don't be. We'll guide you through getting started with Jira, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to supercharge your projects. So join me on November 15, 2023 and let's embark on this Jira journey together. Trust me, your projects will thank you later. See you.